Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Yaji Info Hub. Most of us use credit cards today. Using a credit card is like taking a quick loan from a bank. Of course, credit cards come with a lot of benefits like reward points, cashback offers, no cost EMI offers, special discounts, and so on. They are also universally accepted, provide strong buyer protection, and they could build your credit score. In fact, credit cards enhance your purchasing power, but if you don't use them wisely, you could land up into impulsive buying, and eventually that could land you in a debt trap. If you have to use your credit cards wisely, then know the credit card transaction key limits as per income tax department and avoid getting notices from them. Follow certain disciplines while using credit cards and avoid paying high interest. Improve your credit card score and have a stress-free situation for yourself. This video is all about educating the credit card users on these outlines. Now, let's talk about credit card transactions. The Income Tax Department in India has set two key limits for credit card transactions. Number one, a total limit of 10 lakh rupees in a year. This is also applicable for Forex cards. So if you spend more than 10 lakhs on your credit card, chances are you could get notices from the Income Tax Department. Number two, 1 lakh rupees for bill payments made in cash. So better stay within these limits to avoid getting notices from the Income Tax Department. Please be aware that the Income Tax Department has given banks the responsibility to monitor high value transactions. The banks have to file Form 61A to report them. As far as the individuals are concerned, they have to report high value credit card transactions in Form 26AS. This form is easily available in the IT portal. The IT department are using advanced softwares that can quickly highlight such cases. Even if you are fortunate enough to avoid detection by the software, your file could be flagged off at any time over the next 7 years. This could attract huge penalties. Note, even if you have both Forex cards and credit cards, the limit remains 10 lakh rupees in total and not 20 lakhs combined. Here are some guidelines to be followed by all credit card users. Avoid impulse buying, don't fall a prey to it. Don't use more than 30% of your available credit limit at any time. Going over this limit can cause your credit score to drop. Don't pay one credit card bill with another credit card. Don't use your credit cards extensively for cashbacks and rewards. Income earned from rewards and cashbacks will be subject to separate income tax. According to Section 56(2) of the Income Tax Act, the limit is rupees 50,000. So if you earn more than this, you need to pay tax on the excess amount. Please pay your credit cards dues fully on time. Don't draw cash using credit cards. Remember, you will be paying interest from day one after you draw the cash using credit cards. Don't apply for multiple loans or credit cards in a short span of time. Now, let's talk about the credit score and what are its considerations. A credit score is a numerical representation of your credit worthiness, essentially indicating how likely you are to repay borrowed money. A higher score means you are seen as a less risk to lenders, which can lead to better interest rates and loan terms. Banks, credit card companies, mortgage lenders, and other financial institutions use it to assess the risk of lending your money. A score between 800 and 850 points is considered excellent. Here are the considerations for a credit score. Number one, the payment history. It carries a weightage of 30% of your score. Considers whether you have paid the past credit accounts on time. Then you have the credit utilization. It carries a weightage of 30%. It's the ratio of your current credit balances to your credit limits. Then you have the length of credit history. It carries a weightage of 15%. The age of your oldest account, the age of your newest account, and the average age of all the accounts is considered here. And then you have the new credit, which carries a weightage of 10%. It is the number of recently opened accounts and hard enquiries. And lastly, the credit mix. It carries a weightage of 15%. It's basically the different types of loans you carry. It could be your housing loans, vehicle loans, etc. So don't allow credit cards to spoil your credit score. Always please check your credit scores regularly and ensure that there are no wrong reportings or mismatch. The conclusion is, please use your credit cards wisely and don't get into debt trap. Please remember all the learnings from this video and use it. Spend as per your purchase capacity. Don't fall prey to impulse buying. Always improve your credit score. Please monitor your credit score regularly. Please keep the credit card transactions limits in mind. Always pay your total amount due on credit cards in time and have few credit cards. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.